No, honestly, we could just put the chicken. Oh.
Oh, hey. Oh.
Fuck out of here.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
We complain.
Oh, I got a cupcake. I got my juice box, my bad.
Hey, what's up, cuh? Let's get these hot dogs done, okay? That's what we need to do first, I guess. Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
You gotta cook in the pan. No! Alright, we gotta cook it on the pan. We gotta cook it on the pan.
Dog, why is the hot dog there? Hold on.
Alright, cook on the pan. Cook on the pan.
Bro. There we go. There we go.
Alright,
Yeah.
okay, get the bread, get the bread. We gotta cook the bread in the fucking oven. We gotta cook the bread in the oven. Whoop.
Oh, that one's
Put all that
good.
shit in there. Alright, okay. Okay, cook bread, cook bread, cook bread.
Then I'll cook
Yeah,
the
I'll
hot
cook
dog.
bread. Okay, that's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Alright. Bro, we need some music.
Oh, shit. Where's the other hot dog?
Oh,
Oh no!
it got overcooked. Get the fire extinguisher!
What?
I got it! Oh shit! Open that shit!
What?
Open the oven!
I'm drinking my juice box. Bro, how do you put the fucking...
What?
How do you put in the bun?
Oh, you have to cut it. Dumbass.
Oh. God damn!
I cut it.
Hot dog one.
Nope. Nope.
Hot dog one.
Oh!
Oh, you
Bro, what
fucking
the fuck are you
serious?
doing? Look how easy that is.
Can't even
And
put
then
a
you
hot...
look, hold the plate like this, look.
How the fuck did you put the bun in? Ah, dude, I can't put the bun in. Ah!
This is right here. Fantastic meal.
I got it. Who wants a hot dog?
Oh shit!
I got it!
Firefighter right here, veteran.
What the fuck am I? This shit's black!
I like that.
Oh wow.
Bro.
Who wants the hot dog? Here you go, good sir. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it!
Bro, please, bro. Why?
Oh my god! Bro, you can't tell me. Got it. Alright. I'll consider serve.
Whoa!
What the fuck? That's
Man, 19 bucks! Ice cream shop, Freddy's fried chicken, Manny's Mexican
fried
food.
chicken, fried chicken. I'm
Oh.
back.
Oh shit! Shit!
I go to
Chicken burger
chicken
menu.
burger menu.
Alright, take a seat, bitch.
Where the fuck is the chicken?
The
I'm cooking the bread right now. Oh shit! Hey, let's explore real quick. Okay, never mind.
We have so much money.
How much we got? Bro. Dumbass.
Kobe.
Let's start eating.
Well.
Man, fucking help me!
I'm cleaning the dishes, bro. Ay, pinche rata! What the hell?
God.
Deep fry 'em. I'm deep frying it.
Oh shit! I'm by accident.
What?
The nuggets I've been giving them, I've been putting them in the chicken. They're chicken sandwiches or nugget sandwiches.
He wants a 4-piece nugget menu. He wants.
Edgar, we only got 3. What happened to the last one?
Oscar, these are nuggets.
I know.
It tells you what you're grabbing, Oscar. I'm
I-
cooking these nuggets. 4 nuggets
The four,
and then
four
fries.
nuggets and then
A
a pair of
fries.
french fries. Pair of french fries.
At the fries. Bro.
Look.
Are the nuggets done? Alright, nuggets and the fries are done.
I need to throw this black shit away.
Hey!
Put it back.
Oh!
3 nuggets, man. Stop vibrating. Why are you so scared?
Where's the other one? Bro, take the nuggets!
Well, let me serve it to him.
Bro, hold me back, bro. I'm about to beat his ass.
Okay, nah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna organize this shit.
Okay. Go King. Bro! Fuck this food tray. Oscar, this is in the Matrix, look. You know what? Fuck you, fuck. Where the fuck did it come? Bro!
Bro, this game's physics is so realistic. Holy shit. I love this.
Do I have to walk up to him and give him the fucking nugget? Hey! Pussy. It's bro.
Oh
my god, first
okay,
meal.
I give it to him. No, I. Holy shit, you actually did a good job for the one. Take the. Bro, do you need me to serve it to you? What the fuck? Take the. Your fucking food. Okay, I think this it's because it's this tray. I think you have to like put in like the blue ones.
Oh.
Oh my.
Alright, chicken burger. This one, just make a chicken burger and fries. Oscar, we gotta
Where's the
hurry.
knife? Where's the knife? Where's the knife?
We gotta hurry, Oscar.
Bro, do we have to buy a fucking knife now? Hey, I got 1 singular chicken nugget. Give them as an extra.
Oh, fuck you, I'm giving it.
He fucking left.
You left, I was about to give it to him. I threw that fucking plate.
Oh my god. Edgar,
Oh, we need
what
the.
the fuck are you doing out there? Like serve a fucking cookie.
Yes, I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it, man. Do we have any clean cooked fries? 1 cooked fry. Alright, good sir. Whoever the 4-piece nugget. Oh lord. Oh, this one. Get back in the front.
We
Alright.
need to speedrun this shit.
Alright, 4-piece nugget meal, sir. This looks amazing.
I did that. I'm using the first one.
Bro! My fucking.
Bro, you could sprint so fast.
You could upgrade it too. Here, 4 nuggets, sir. Ha! Oscar, what do you need the air fryer things?
Alright then. Fuck this air fryer.
Move out, fat ass, damn. Oh, make a chicken burger.
Alright, that's on me. That's on me.
Here you go, sir.
Chicken burger.
Oh! Is this what McDonald's feels like?
These last chicken nuggets.
Oh, I'm getting that rat. Come back here. You're disrupting the guest. Oscar, it must be done. Look at this rat.
Let's do both.
Alright,
These are the short clips of everything.
this shit looks way more hard.
Hey, where the customers at? Oh my god.
Oh, they actually sit down. Oh, I don't like this.
There's nachos.
Oh, there's way more stuff to order.
Oh
Wait.
shit.
Wait, are you the fucking waiter? Cause they weren't responding to me.
Shit, overcooked. Like, you give me no
Oh
chance.
shit, there's more people. Fuck. Alright, ready to order. As you cut
No,
them.
the onions cut in half. They don't turn into strings like that. Fucking. Look. Cut the onion.
You're a fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot. You do it twice, you dumb shit.
Oh. I didn't know. I got it.
That's why you're so good with the fried chicken, dumbass.
I'm the server, bitch.
Oh, fuck you. You're sir.
No, you. fucking idiot. You're giving the wrong shit. It was this black dude over here.
They both want beef tacos.
No.
Oh, there's chicken too.
Yes, you dumb fuck.
You was. This isn't what I signed up.
I sniped his head.
This is
Wonderful flavor, he told me. Thank you, man.
What else? What else? Oh my god, more people. 2 nachos plate. 2 nachos plate.
Bro, that oven's gonna be on fire forever.
It's the nacho plate. If it's the last thing I do. Where's the avocado, man? I got it. Oh yeah, that is a nacho plate if I've ever seen one. Let's go, bro.
You fucking smacked my onion on my hand.
Oh, okay. Give me avocado cuts, damn. Good on this.
I'm going crazy.
Here's your nachos plate, bro. Move your fucking head.
Chicken, if you scroll more down, dumb fuck.
Nuh-uh.
That's me.
Alright, where are raw tortilla chips? Oh, they're outside. On the fucking fried chicken, I didn't tell you to. I didn't say, oh, don't leave your gun in the ground. Someone get shot.
Bro,
You know,
are you being like racist right now? Cause I'm
Let's go!
Hold up.
I'm gonna serve this. I'm gonna serve whatever you got.
No. It's not ready, you dumbass. That's mine. You idiot. You fucking.
There's a rat! He took my tomato!
Here, let's go ice cream.
Fuck!
Ice cream.
I got this.
Serve it to him.
Here comes the airplane.
Damn, they give us so much time for this.
Bro, what the
Is it
heck?
just ice creams or do they like serve like banana splits?
Let's get ice cream coming in.
Fuck, I gave.
Oh, I got chocolate. I got chocolate.
Put it in.
Oh. I'm afraid to do that shit.
Fucking ice.
Bro, you're trash.
Bro!
This light work. This light work.
The character's glitch! It doesn't.
Here's your rice for ice cream, sir. Boy, you're so
Where the fuck did
stupid.
the rest of it go? Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, vanilla.
Look, customer satisfaction is actually like high for once.
We had it for the Mexico.
Mexico's fucking shit.
Where's the
Someone
goddamn
like
chocolate?
that.
Why is chocolate right here?
My fault.
Dude, look what I have in my hand. Look.
He still give us $8 though. Wait, what if you just give them a cone?
Bro, don't be fucking.
Look, give it. No, give him that look. Give him that look. How'd you
Dude,
do it half and half?
because I'm dying.
I got this, look. You see? Bro, just give them. Oh,
No, I was good.
uh-oh.
Eat your kind, bro. Look. Eat your kind. I was good.
Bro. Wait, hold on.
Oscar, look. Eat your kind. Bro, this is the same color as your fucking head. Bro, you should eat it. Oh.
Open up! Open up!
Oh, yes! Ah! Ah!
I gave him the whole ice
Oh,
cream.
Oscar! I'm in the truck! Oscar! Yeah!
Alright. Here you go, sir. Bah.
LeBron!
Okay, catch.
What the hell? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit.
Catch.
I got it.
Catch it.
What the?
Edgar, look at this. Catch this.
Hey, give me ice cream. Give me ice cream right now. Give me ice cream right now. I want that shit.
Fuck this.
Give me the ice
fucking-
cream.
Fuck
Yeah.
Isaac's ice cream shop.
Give me ice cream.
Fuck this job.
Give me ice cream.
I hate this job. I'm quitting. I am quitting.
Can I
I'm
get?
quitting. I'm quitting.
Is this Isaac's ice cream shop?